Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your own AUX cable.
Dancing pandas
So you
don't sell
can
CRM.
learn from WikiHow and so many websites
Ads on
and
LinkedIn
guide
do.
you to make
With
one.
70 million decision
So
makers,
the first
LinkedIn
step
is the place to be.
try to use your old headphones or unused headphones or earphone cables. You can remove the earbuds, strip the wires, and expose the multicolored leads here. So there are three color here: red, blue, white. So get set of headphones and remove the earbuds and strip the wires. This is the first step. And then second step, secondly, get another set of headphones and do the same to those leads as well. So this is the red, black, and ground. You have to learn about this. This is very important. So connect the same color wires, positive to positive and negative to negative. Here, this is very complete guide. You can learn about this. So next, a same circuit has as the color one, and take the plain or uncolored copper leads to the same leads that are in. Here, by twisting or soldering, make sure your connection are secure and seal your connection. This is very important. You have to seal with the tape, electrical tape. And this one, your auxiliary or aux jack is ready to connect your MP3 player, cassette player, or CD player, that sound system with input jacks. So please, this is like a trial. You can practice more. So just prepare a lot of cables here. If your first time build or first time make your own aux cable doesn't work, you can try another cables. Maybe the cable is already broken and not works, or by simply you can purchase in the store. So this is very important. Community question and answer here. You can join as a question, of course. Just open WikiHow, make your own aux cable. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.